Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can ignore messages on Messenger after its new update. So in the older version of Messenger there was this feature called ignore. But in the updated version of Messenger they just removed this feature called ignore. But you can still ignore messages because they have added this new feature called mute. So let me show you guys how you guys can use this feature to ignore somebody's message. Now what ignoring means is, yes, you want to receive message from that person but you don't want to get notification that that person has sent you a message. That is basically what ignoring means. And what you need to do in order to ignore your message on Messenger is just hold on the person or the group. Whichever person or group you want to ignore, hold on them. So let's say I want to ignore this group called Deno. I can hold on their name and it's going to show me all these options. From all these options, the second one called mute, you want to click on that and you want to choose where it says until I change it, because if you choose for 15 minutes or 1 hour, then they're only going to be ignored for 1 hour. After 1 hour you're still going to receive their message again, or like their notification of their message again. So click on until I change it, because if you click on until I change it, you need to manually unmute them. So as you guys can see, you can see the little mute logo right beside the group Deno, which means I have muted the group. So now if they message anything, I'm not going to get any notification. But if I want to chat with them, I can still open my Messenger and chat with them, alright? Now let's say I want to unmute them. I can hold on their name again and just click on unmute and they will be unmuted. So yeah, that's how you guys can ignore message on the new updated version of Messenger. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day.